Hey, hey, hey! Another vlogging day. Package never arrived, got a full refund. It comes today. I get to keep it, throw it away, do what I want with it. Not my fault when they mark things down, delivered and never delivered, right? So off we go to a different route. Gonna see if they got my light switch for a nice bike ride on. It's nice, cool, windy day. Let's get out of here and go have some fun. It's my vlogging time, right? I finished up at Manor. They don't have it, but I'm gonna go for fun, go for a bike ride, get out of here. Keep saying that. I'm exhausted. Not at all. It just started. So right now I bumped down my ISO to 200 maximum. Right? I don't want to be on 400 today. So I had some shutter issues, I would say. It kind of flickered in the morning. Don't know. I had to stop because a turkey is in its cage right there. Look at that bad boy, man. Turkey day. This place is called Lundy's. Many years ago, you would come here with Jamaican style service, fish, dinners, all that good stuff. The owners are still around. They still got the name, still kept the original style building, and that's the history of the area. I'm not scaring the birds, just going slowly. Give them a break this time. Oh man, the sun glare right off the ocean, right into my eyes. 100, 200 should do just fine. So the change right there, that would do it. Nice bright day. Gotta watch out for the kid, because the kid don't see. And you just gotta plan all that, right? It's all planning. Yeah, can't make that up. Did I get copaed on that? Hey, Ohio Fred. Hey, my gig user. I'm sorry, buddy. You know what this is. It ain't what it's gonna be. I'm afraid I can't show it to you anymore. Oh man, what am I to do? It's not for a kid. That's why there's a cage around it. It's all locked up, prisoned. And if you want to be able to get in there, you know what to do. Unlock it. Yeah, don't be afraid, buddy. On with the show we go. All about being an adult, right? That's an adult toy. You get up there, you do your fixins. I gotta watch where I'm going. Hey Daniel, maybe you can see that in the distance on the water's edge. You got a surfboard, and guy standing up and paddling. A paddler. Nice dead calm day. That's more my speed. I could surf if I give it a shot, can I? I don't know. Nice slow ride. What I like about this camera, and especially on the bike, you don't see the bobbling up and down like so as I walk. You see a very fluid motion, especially when you're on boardwalks. So as music plays inside, I was able to get in some nice shots, right? And here we are at the sign of Nathan's. Nice and warm. Gonna crash. Just happy grabbing the shots, scenery, sharing the fun with you, my daily activities and all that good stuff. And yeah, Ohio Fred, this is what adults do, have fun, right? All adult humor, baby. Oh yeah, let's get on out of here. Yesterday I was searching through the channels on TV, right? Warriors, 1974? Man, those were the days. Well, I got a comment, and you ain't gonna get a laugh at it, because that downer's no longer here for now. Put a little portable potty on there, and off you go, man. Pull the lever like a doggy. I gotta go. I gotta go. I really gotta go. Not really. I am going. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what makes me do the videos I do? You making the comments. And I'm putting video stories together from those comments of the past. And I just simply do what I do like best. Right. Yeah. So on this note, I do thank you for joining me on this short ride, long ride. I got footage to edit. I like PowerDirector 18, but I am going to try Filmora 9. I updated to the latest version. Give that a shot again. So on that note, I see you all in the next video. And catch you all later. Have a great day. Do I give you a hat buy? Sure I do. Hang on. I'll see you all later. Have a great day as the wind picks up and knocks me to the side. See ya!